Well, two new motions have been filed by John Stevens' attorneys. The 78-year-old was the bus driver behind the wheel of an Athens ISD bus that hit a train. Now, that resulted in the death of one student and harming another. Last month, Stevens pleaded not guilty to all of the charges against him. CBS 19's Peyton Whiteman joins me in studio with the details of the motions filed by his attorneys. Peyton, explain all this legal jargon in layman's terms.
Well, Tashara, these two motions, which are basically just requests by the attorneys, could play a critical role in John Stevens' case, one involving the district attorney and the other about the train's event data recorder, otherwise known as a black box, which could be holding answers to several questions about what happened at the railroad crossing on January 25th. To understand the impact the motions could have, I spoke with a former Henderson County prosecutor.
Critical for not only Mr. Stevens in being able to present a defense, but also the people of Henderson County and Texas actually finding out what happened.
According to a motion for disclosure of expert witnesses, the Henderson County District Attorney could actually become an expert related to the bus and train collision. On April 26th, the DA and two investigators, along with another unidentified person, created school bus crash simulated test videos.
And he engaged in an attempt of reconstructing the events. If the video is produced or used during trial, then those that are involved in the production of the video are witnesses that would potentially authenticate the video.
Stevens' attorneys are requesting the names of the experts and facts or data that could be used during testimonies 20 days before the trial, such as the simulated test videos.
But more importantly, have the opportunity to cross-examine people that were present for the making of the video so that the jurors can understand the limitations of what might be displayed.
The second motion that was filed is a request for the information from the Pacific Union train's black box.
It would appear from the pleadings that are available for me to review that the state has not gone through the steps to get the black box from the train.
Its purpose is to record data in the event of an accident. The black box would tell how fast the train was going, the time, distance, and use of the horn.
And then also the measures that the operator took to try to avoid. And so it really sheds light on who the responsible party is.
Stevens is due back in court September 12th and October 10th for pretrial hearings. We've got you covered, East Texas. Peyton Weidman, CBS 19.